folks, welcome back to another lesson. We are doing Paper Over the Cracks by One More Satellite. I've been meaning to do this one for a while. It's a really brilliant tune. The whole album is amazing actually, do check it out. Basically Dean DeLeo and then Pete Shoulder, who plays guitar and also sings. That's absolutely brilliant. So let's dive straight in, shall we? Standard tuning in terms of tone. You want just a little bit of grit really. I'm using the funny little Boxes treasure chest. You know, because you want that. Let's dive into the first riff, shall we? So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Very addictive to play once you get that. It comes in on the 4 and, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then you're going to play. Really cool, isn't it? So you've got this really lovely run. And you want to make sure that both of those kind of ring out if you can. So you want to, your thumb should be right at the back of the fretboard for that bit. Like that, I would suggest. So you'd have slowly 3, 4. So hammer on 2 to 4 on the A string with the open D. Then you run back down where you go 4 2 and then the open E. And that open E gives you a chance to move your fingers, and you're going to do this. So you start with 3 and 4, little diminishing thing, and then you resolve that to the G5, right? So it's like that. So it's a little hammer on. I'm only strumming once. And then again, yeah? So it's... and back around. So one time round slowly would be 3, 4. Like that, etc. Goes around 7 times. Both guitars are playing that. The 8th time you're going to play. You go into the chorus, right? That is an A. I forget what this chord is, but it's 0, 2, 4, and then the open 2 strings, the open B and E. Okay, and this is Pete's part really, what I'm mainly showing you here. Dean goes off and does some lots of noodly bits, but we'll come to those. In fact, I haven't done the solo. If you want that, comment below. But here we go. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Back around. Again, you're coming in on the 4 and. So again, it's 1. Okay? And I fret that, but I use my thumb to mute the low E. So then you can strum all the strings. Okay, without worrying about hearing that. So you'd have 4 palm mutes and a stab. Okay, so there's an accented note there. So it's little rest, and then you put your 3rd finger goes onto the 4th fret on the E. Yeah, so it's going to be this descending bass line thing. And you keep the 2nd and the 4th frets where they are. The A naturally becomes muted by a bit of meat off this finger. Same rhythm though, right? Then you go to this B 12 bar thing. And it's... okay. That's what you're playing, but there's a little palm mute in there, so it's... like that. Then, same rhythm, but you're going to go A in the bass though. Okay? And around again. So that G is, it's like a D5 with G in the bass. Over the top, Dean's basically fretting like this open chord, you know, you'll hear. You know, that sort of stuff going on, right? And then he dives back in. For the G, he plays. He plays that, and Pete's doing. Now you go around the chorus twice. The second time round, coming out of this G part, you have. And you're back into the verse. So that's how it transitions back around. You do 4 times of the verse this time, and then the extra 1 bar into the second chorus. Etc. All the same as before. If you really want to be picky, I mean, the strumming over the G becomes a bit less. It's more. I think it rings out a little bit more, but it's just a minor thing. Then we've got this riff, and this starts on the 1. So you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got that going on, okay? So you've got 0, 2. Okay. And now I'm letting that second note ring out as much as I can. So the first bar goes. And you go to the C. Slightly different fill. Down to the G. Then to the F. I think that's a hammer on and a slide for that last part. One more time. You do it 4 times, but the last bar on the 4th time has a subtle variation which goes. So that's how it transitions back into the next verse. Again, 4 of those with an extra bar of. Into that again. You go around the chorus twice, and then you go to this D. Bit of noodly parts over the top. I haven't worked those out. Again, if you want them, just comment below, and if enough people want them, I'll sort it. Then we're back to this riff. You know that, and then the 4th time it goes. Subtle variation. Then it varies ever so slightly. This is Dean's solo part as well now, and we go. Like that. So you go. And around again, okay? Just twice around that, then back to the original. Two times around this time. Second time is. And then you go back to this and it fades out. Etc. And that, folks, is it. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again soon.